In a beautiful meadow, nestled among a lush, green expanse, lived a small and vibrant butterfly named Bella. Bella was not an ordinary butterfly. She was known far and wide for her radiant colors and graceful flight. One day, Bella found herself feeling trapped in a cocoon. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, and she began to question why she was confined. She longed to spread her wings and fly freely, but her cocoon remained tight. One night, as the moon shone brightly, a wise old owl named Oliver visited Bella. "Why do you feel trapped, dear?" he asked. Bella explained her plight, her voice filled with desperation. "Fear not, young one," replied Oliver. "You are undergoing a transformation. When the time is right, you will emerge as a beautiful butterfly." Bella was skeptical, but as the days passed, she noticed a change within her cocoon. It started to crack, and soon, a tiny hole appeared. She felt a surge of excitement and fear. And then, with a final push, Bella emerged, her wings spread wide and brilliant. Bella took to the skies, feeling the wind beneath her wings, taste of nectar on her tongue. She realized then that the time of her transformation was not a prison, but a process that made her even more beautiful. The moral of this story is that growth and change, though often difficult, are essential for our own transformation and development. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they may lead to a beautiful outcome.